Okay, I'm gonna go scare Lola, but then give her this gift.
Okay. Why? It's a birthday. Who are you, by the way?
In my house.
Slowly. She has heart problems. Okay. Malabas ka, dahan-dahan.
Wow.
Basahin mo yung card ni...
Wow, may video pala.
Basahin mo yung card ni Joseph.
Basahin ko yung card. This one?
Wow. Kaya nga may parehalo kay Mama.
You bought it, Seth, right?
Yep.
Regalo si Joseph.
Lelelo, suot niya yung favorite mo.
Iyak ka, Ma.
Yung
Yeah. Is that your favorite picture?
Happy birthday to you, dear Jane. I give you lots of love of this letter from the... Umiyak na to. Pinatay na ako.
Buksan mo yung regalo niya.
Lola and me.
Wow, sweet.
I'll open it.
Bagal magbukas ng regalo.
Ikaw
Ako magbubukas eh. That's me.
Open that.
Joseph, teach Lola how to use that.
Ginagawa mong loko eh. Palit mo eh.
Teach how to Lola to use that.
Ta-da!
Kasi ni Ma.
Show it to me first.
So,
Wow.
Yeah, that's for knee.
Ano yan?
so just in case I cut her knee,
Ah, sa paa
I
ko.
can replace it. Anyways, so you put your foot in here.
Dito?
Suotin pa sa
You put your foot in first, right here,
Paa. Alin ba yung masakit mong binti?
Dito, sa
and
kabila.
then I'll strap this for you.
Ah,
Wow, ang sweet naman.
ayun.
May regalo.
Oh, maganda nga oh.
Mm. Yung buta sa gitna, yung tuhod.
Ah, mali pala.
Yung yan. Tapos pwede mong sikipan. Mm.
Yan oh.
Yan. Masarap?
Mm.